Good morning, student. In the last class, we already discussed about point, line segment, ray, and types of lines in the chapter Basic Geometrical Ideas. But today we are discussing exercise part, that is exercise 4.1. But we are discussing only few problems. Okay, let us start. What is your first problem? Let us see. So your first problem is use the figure. You have to use this figure and you have to identify 5 points, lines, 4 rays and also 5 line segments. Okay, first one. What is your first one? That is 5 points. As you know, how many points in this diagram? It is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. There are 5 points. Which are those? You have to write down first. B, C, O, E and D are the 5 points. Okay. Next one, that is line. What do you mean by line? As you know, line means there is a extended point in both sides. So which is your extended point? Just you have to see here, this line, it is extended in only one direction. This line also extended in one direction, but you have to observe this diagram. It is extended in both directions. That's why this line, that is BD, is a line. Okay. Next one, that is 4 rays. What do you mean by ray? One starting point is there and there is a extend in one side, there is a extended point. Okay, so what are the possibilities here? 4 rays, that is first DB and DE, OB, OE and EB are the some possibilities. It is a ray, that's why you have to draw here ray diagram. This is a ray. Okay, now see here which are the possibilities. First one is, that is DB. Okay, next one, that is DE, and next that is OB and OE. Is your OE. Okay, here is your OE and also that is EB. So this is the rays possibility, some possibilities only. Okay, next one, that is 5 line segments. What do you mean by line segment? So, you know, line segment means there is an end point in both sides. End point in both sides. So which are those? First one, that is DE, DO and EO, OB and EB. These are the some possibilities. So this is a line segment, means you have to draw like this. Okay, this is a symbol of line segment. As you know, this means it is a line because both sides are extended, and this means ray, it is one side extended. A line segment means there is a no extended point. Okay, so these are the 4 line segments. Which are those? To see once again, that is DE and DO, and next is your E, and next that is EO and OB, and also that is last point EB. So these are the few line segments. Okay, this is about your first question. Let us move second one. that is, name the line given in all possible 12 ways, choosing only 2 letters at a time from the 4 given. Here diagram is given, that is A, B, C, D. You have to identify the 12 possibility ways. Okay, before starting, let us take one example. This example is A, B and C. In the A, B, C, the possibilities are, first AB is a line, okay, next BC is a line, and also AC is a line. So how many possibilities are there here? AB, okay, next BC, and that is AC. So in the ABC there are 3 possibilities are there. But from this diagram you have to identify 12. Let us take, first starts with A, that is AB, and let's take AC, and next one, that is AD. Okay, next one, that is, take a B point, and from the B points you have to identify which line segments. From the B point, that is BA, okay, next BC, and that is BD, B and D. This one is D. Okay, next you have to take C point. From the C point you have to identify the lines, that is CA, CB and CD. Next you have to use D point. Using D point, that is DA first, that is DA, next DB and DC. How many possibilities are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So these are the some possibilities in this diagram. Is it clear about second question? Okay, let us move to the third one. Use the figure. You have to use this figure and to name. First one is, that is line containing point E, line passing through A, line on which O lies, and 2 pairs of intersecting lines. It starts with first one, that is line containing E. There is your E, here E. Which line is contains? That is AE. That's why the first answer is AE. Okay, it is your first answer, that is AE. Okay, next it is your second one, that is line passing through A. Line passing through A. Line passing through A means, where is your A? It is here. Line passing A. Then what's your answer? That is also AE. Line passing A is, that is AE. Okay. Next one, that is third one. Line on which O lies. It is your O. That is here. O lies. O is here. So the line is OC, or you can write down CO. That is line is there. So the symbol of line is like this. The line consists O is here. That's why the OC, or this or, not and, or CO is the third answer. Okay, is it clear? Moving to the next, that is 2 pair of intersecting lines. As you know, what do you mean by intersecting lines? There are 2 lines. The intersecting point is here. So the midpoint. the point of intersecting. So in this diagram, how many intersecting points are there? Let us see. One intersecting point and here two intersecting points. So what are the lines? Let us see first what are the lines. This line and this section, and also that is this line and this section. Okay, write down the first, that is this section and this section, CO and AE, both are intersecting lines. Okay, next one, that is AE and EF are the intersecting second point. This one is for second point and this side is second point. Okay, is it clear about fourth question? This is fourth one, two intersecting lines. So the intersecting lines are here, this one and this one. Okay, moving to the next question, that is fourth one. How many lines can pass through? How many lines can pass through in one point and two given points? So let us take first one, 1 point. If 1 point is given, how many lines can we draw? This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it is 6, 7. We can draw uncountable. So in the one given point we can draw so many lines. That's why the answer is, that is countless. In one point we can draw many lines. That's why the answer is countless. Next one, that is 2 points. If 2 points are given, so if 2 points are given, here A and here B, how many lines can we form here? How many lines? Just you have one line. One line. In one point we can draw many lines, but in 2 points we can draw only 1 point. Okay, next one, to the next, that is fifth question. Draw a rough figures. You have to draw a rough figures and label suitable in each of the following cases. Here some questions are given. You have to draw the diagrams. Okay, first one, your first one, point P lies on AB. Point P lies on AB. So there is a AB point is there. A and B. Lies means in between. In between AB there is a P point. There is a P point, or you can draw like this also, A, B. This is lies between. P is here also, or you can take here also, or you can take here also. Okay, so AB is a line. AB is a line and point P lies here. Point P lies here. This is a diagram of first question. Second question, XY and PQ intersect at M. Intersect point, as you know about the intersect point. XY is a line, that is X and Y, and that is PQ. PQ is a line. XY is a line and PQ is a line. Intersecting point. Intersecting point, that is we have to name, that is M. Is it clear? Here XY is a line. Here XY is there and PQ is a line. Intersecting point, you have to name that point M. Okay. Next one, that is line L contains E and F but not D. There is a one line. The line name is L. Okay. And the points are given, that is in between, that is E and F. E and F. line consists E and F, but there is a no D in this line. So you have to draw a point and name it as a D. Okay. So again, see how it is your question. First, that is line L consists. This is your line L. Line L. This is a line L consists E and F. E and F points and but not D points, means you have to draw separately D as a point. Okay. Next one, that is fourth question. OP and OQ meet at O. OP and OQ lines are there and meet at O. So this is your point, that is P is there. And next, Q section, this one is Q, and both are meet at point, that is meet at point O. Once again, there is a OP line is there and OQ line is there. Both are meet at a point, that is O. Is it clear? Okay, once again see how that is OP line is there and OQ. This one is P and this one is Q, and the meet at a point, that is O. This is fourth answer. Is it clear? Okay. This is all about exercise 4.1. But we are discussing only few problems. You also take some more examples and solve it. In the next class, we will discuss next part. Until, take care. Bye bye. Thank you.